I wanted to show you also, coming up in my next, in the class that's just gone out for registration, is these fun cards, and they are fun fold cards. A couple of them are. So this one is, it's Hey Chick, and so I think you guys have seen some of these probably, or seen me create them. So that's one of them. And then this one, if you don't have, if you have Hey Chick, you can take this class. You just are going to have to substitute chicks, other chicks for it out of that set if you don't buy the birthday chick. So, and you can do that. You could easily put the other chick that looks like this one on here. This is super cute, pops open. So, yeah. So if you don't have if you have Hey Chick and you don't want to invest in Hey Birthday Chick, or if you don't want to invest in the dies, you can still take the class. So this one, Let's Celebrate You. You're still a spring chicken. And this is just a plain inside, nothing special on the inside. And then this one, and some of these things I will cut for you. So for instance, this little, these little things, the corn stalks, I will cut those for you. And this gating will be cut for you. So, as well as the card base. I cannot cut the images. I cannot stamp and cut the images. This one is from the original Hey Chick set. So you'll have that one. Then this one is kind of fun in that it has the clouds. And I will send you a cloud. I will send you the piece to do the clouds. And so I will cut this corn stalks will be cut, and this is the chick from the original Hey Chick. So if you don't want to invest in the new birthday chick, you can still take that class. Don't hesitate to sign up. I will put that registration on my blog, and I will link it here. Give me a day to get it all set up, but I will get it all linked up, and you guys will be able to register for that.